If China and Russia and Saudi Arabia aren't involved in part of this rally, I'll be a monkey's uncle. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Day Update for Tuesday, the 25th of October, 2 weeks from the election. And again, with what the action that we're watching, the price action that we're seeing, if there isn't some outside pushing involved here trying to keep this administration in place, I will be a monkey's uncle. Okay, this is a joke. It is what it is. Again, that's the price action. Markets are always right, but to me, there's got to be some outside playing going on here, trying to create. You got a very short period, a very small window and light volume, and you can do a lot of funky things if you're only looking for a short window and don't care at what cost it is later. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, we've got a market that is kind of flying higher. We've been all over the place. Dow's up 100, Nasdaq's up 150, S&P up 31, and Russell up 367. We're long the Dow and short the other three. That hasn't changed. Gold and silver have made some nice moves and some reversal patterns here as well. We're still short both gold and silver. Crude was down big, now it's up big. Okay, and looks like it wants to run even further. Let's make sure we make plenty of money for Aramco, because we have such a shitty energy policy with an imbecile running the country. Okay, and of course the euro currency is running higher along with the bonds. We're short both bonds and notes and euro currency. When you look at it again, we know interest rates are going up unless the Fed is going to become political. We already know they're somewhat political, but if they're going to pick a side in the next election, the Fed meeting starts a week from today. Okay, so we'll see what happens from there. In the meantime, the dollar is lower. Bitcoin is flat, and we're long dollar, short Bitcoin, which is flat. Natural gas is higher again, was much lower earlier again, and is reversed. Of course, that does tie into our crap energy policy, but again, we'll get into that another day. Copper is lower, we're long. And in the grain markets, kind of mixed. Corn is higher. Beans are higher. We're long corn, short beans, and short wheat, which is lower. In the protein complex, up across the board, we're short cattle, we're long hogs. And in the softs, cocoa is lower, we're long. Cotton is higher, we're short. Sugar is higher, we're long. OJ is lower, we are long, and coffee's getting crippled and we're short. So again, overall, to me, again, forget about anything else. We had a horrible day trading as well. Because this action, you get these straight spikes that show no mercy and show no stopping. We'll see. Again, it's going to be a very tedious and tenuous market coming into the next couple of weeks as we go into the election. Just be careful. All I can tell you is, again, trade the price action, trade the levels, but be careful. And don't try to be overly aggressive here. This is not a conducive market to be overly aggressive. Remember our sponsors, Trade Your Brokerage, who's sponsoring our Vegas event. Okay, if you have an account with them or open one, you get a $500 discount. Capital Trading Group, CTG, and of course our high school program. And we didn't have it play in the football game last night. And of course, naturally, the Bears fractured the Patriots when we needed the Patriots to win by a little bit. But hey, that's life in the big city. One of those days. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.